Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations. On Gmail, you will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will click here on Gmail. Like this. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. And here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.